Excuse me, hi. I am looking for a specific jacket I saw on your website, the navy quilted one. Do you carry it in store?
Yes, I know exactly the one you mean. We do carry it. What size are you looking for?
Ideally a medium, but I would try a large as well if that is what you have.
Okay, let me take a look. I am pretty sure I saw some on the floor this morning, but we have had a busy day. Give me just a second.
Of course, take your time.
So right now I have got a small and an extra large on the floor. The medium and large are both showing as out of stock in the system. But honestly, that does not always mean we have nothing. Let me go and check in the back for you.
Oh, that would be wonderful, thank you.
No problem at all. I will be back in 2 minutes. Okay, so good news and sort of good news. I found a medium in the back, but it is in the olive, not the navy. And I do have the large in navy.
Hmm, honestly, can I try both? I want to see how the large in navy fits before I decide.
Absolutely. The fitting rooms are around the corner to your left, just past the accessories section.
Hi, I am back. So the large in navy actually fits pretty well. Better than I expected.
Yes, they do tend to run small. Most customers go up at least one size with them. So what you are experiencing is pretty typical.
Good to know. Does this brand run small in general? Because the large is fitting me like a medium normally would.
You are not between sizes or anything. The large is genuinely your size in this brand.
That is reassuring. Thank you. What about the olive medium? Did that one fit differently?
Because olive is the same cut and same fabric, it should fit the same way. If the large navy works, the medium olive probably would not. It would likely feel a bit tight.
Right, okay. I think I will stick with the large in navy then. Is this one part of the current sale? I saw something on your homepage about a promotion.
Yes, it is 20% off right now. The one thing to mention is that sale items are final sale, meaning no returns. Exchanges are still fine within the 28 days.
That is totally fair. Okay, I am going to take it.
Great choice. It is honestly one of our most popular pieces this season. Do you want to pay here or at the main till?
I will go to the main till. Thank you so much for your help. You really went above and beyond.
It is my pleasure. That is what I am here for. Enjoy the jacket.
Thank you.